Welcome to Jelly Bean Value. Please like, share and subscribe.
On a sunny day in Jelly Bean Valley, 3 jelly beans, red, blue and purple, were on an important mission. They needed to find the runaway vowel sound air.
Where could air be hiding?
I heard it loves hiding behind things that start with air.
Let's start searching.
The trio set off, eager to catch the elusive vowel. Red, blue and purple arrived at the orchard.
There. Behind that apple tree.
The jelly beans rushed over and peeked behind a big red apple tree. Sure enough, there was the vowel sound air, giggling mischievously.
We found you!
But before they could grab it, the vowel sound air dashed away. Next, they spotted an aeroplane in the air.
Look, it must be hiding in the airplane.
The jelly beans climbed inside the aeroplane. They searched high and low until they finally found air hiding in the cockpit.
Gotcha. We just want to be your friend. Do not run away.
But the vowel sound air slipped through their fingers and took off again. Determined, the jelly beans spotted an astronaut floating by.
Behind the astronaut. It has to be there.
They floated towards the astronaut, but as soon as they reached out to grab air, they felt gravity's invisible hand grip them, and everyone tumbled out of the sky. Dizzy but unhurt, the jelly beans looked around.
Oh no. Where could air be now?
Look for animals. It loves hiding behind animals.
They searched behind cows, pigs and chickens, but no luck.
Wait! I remember something. Air loves avocados.
Yes. Great thinking. To the avocado trees we go.
The jelly beans ran towards the avocado grove. They carefully picked ripe green avocados.
Now we wait!
Sure enough, the vowel sound air peeked out from behind a tree, eyes wide with excitement. It dashed over to the jelly beans, drawn by its love for avocados. As soon as air reached them, red, blue and purple gently surrounded it.
We finally caught you!
The vowel sound air happily munched on the avocado, content to stay with its new friends.
And that's how we caught air.
Mission accomplished!
And so the jelly beans and their new friend air lived happily ever after, always together in Jelly Bean Valley.
Can you say the words? Apple. Airplane.
Astronaut. Animals.
Avocado.
Thanks for watching. Remember, like, share and subscribe.